Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. And today we have some tools in front of us. We have a stainless steel steaming pitcher with some hot water in it. We have a toothbrush, a mechanized or a battery toothbrush, toothpaste, can't tell you the brand, backflush detergent or coffee washer or backwash detergent. The one thing that we do sell is the pulley cap backflush detergent that comes from Italy. We actually like this because they do a really good job in creating this product. And then we also have the pulley milk cleaner for the steam wands. You'll notice this is the MarX machine. I'm sorry, not MarX. Yes, MarX. I do apologize. This was the one that I did the video during the beginning of COVID in my home. And we brought it back to the office, and this thing is made a lot of espresso. We try to keep it clean, but you know, the last thing people want to do is cleaning. That's just something people don't like. And so started thinking we need to clean this machine here. We have some coffee or espresso stains here. We have the milk stain or buildup here. Typically with the milk buildup, if it's white, typically just take some hot water, turn the steam on, boil it, and usually it'll wipe right off. It starts turning brown, you're going to use this product right here. And that will help reduce reduce the amount of buildup that you have to close to zero. So I started thinking, we have these toothbrushes here, and if you have an old toothbrush, basically you can take some toothpaste if you want your machine to smell good for your significant other in the morning, and you can start cleaning. Okay, and this will actually take the coffee stains off. Okay, so you could do that, or you could take some hot water with some backwash or backflush detergent, mix it up, take your electric or battery operated toothbrush, and you can start using that, and the vibration of this will help clean the coffee stains. And if you need a little more, you just take this up here and you start working it through. Okay, I got a really bad one up here, and that will take a little more work. I suggest not mixing the two chemicals together. Do one at a time. I am mixing them, but I suggest not to. And you know, you can get in here and get this all nice and clean, and then take a moist cloth or a terry towel and then just wipe it and rinse it clean. And ooh, I could smell the toothpaste there, making this machine smell really good. So if you really want to surprise a significant other, get a little toothpaste in there. Don't say nothing. And then when your significant other says, I smell toothpaste, say, you know, we just cleaned our espresso machine. Again, just rinse it. This product has instructions here for cleaning the wand. If you want, you can also use the toothbrush to, you know, clean it, not with the toothpaste, but with that product right there. And if you have any questions or comments, please ask down below. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, because this is definitely off the wall with the toothpaste. And have a wonderful day. And coffee first, everything else second.